What is Scream? Scream. The Phantom-based DeFi protocol suffered a hit due to stablecoin volatility. Will it rebound? What is Scream? Scream. Scream is a Phantom-based decentralized finance DeFi platform providing peer-to-peer, non-custodial lending solutions. On its October 2021 launch, Scream initially supported the WBTC, WET, WFTM, DAI, USDC and FUSDT money markets. Since then, many more Phantom-native cryptocurrencies have been added. As with other DeFi platforms, Scream allows users to lend and borrow digital assets without an intermediary, thus reducing fees and centralized administration. Lenders are incentivized through APR rewards, which vary depending on the digital asset. The Scream cryptocurrency is used for staking, governance and yield farming. Keep reading below as we dive into the project in greater detail. What is Scream, and how does Scream work? Let's have a look. Collateral and reserve factors. Your Scream borrow limit is contingent on the collateral factor of the asset you are borrowing against. For instance, an asset with a collateral factor of 75%, such as FRAX, would allow you to borrow $750 for putting up $1,000 FRAX in collateral. Assets with larger liquidity pools have higher collateral factors since they are more stable. An asset with less available liquidity has a lower collateral factor. BiFi, for instance, has a collateral factor of 55%. The reserve factor represents a percentage of interest paid on your borrow amount. Most assets have a reserve factor of 20%. How is Scream faring? As reported in Currency.com, Scream suffered hefty losses in May as a result of algorithmic stablecoin volatility. Traders noticed a flaw in the protocol which hard-coded the price of DEI and FUSD to $1, despite changing hands on the exchanges well below this price. Traders were able to exploit this for their own personal gain. In response, the protocol was forced to liquidate bad debt FUSD positions in order to stabilize the platform. The situation resulted in a massive drop in total value locked, TVL, and token value. TVL was over $1 billion in January. As of May 25, 9:48 British Summer Time, plus 1 UTC, that figure was down to $12.29 million. According to DappRadar, Scream is the fourth largest DApp on Phantom by 7-day volume and user count, $28.59 million and 706 respectively. It trails 100 Finance and Geist on the DeFi chart. Scream token details. So, what is Scream coin used for? Scream coin can be locked up in return for VE Scream tokens. VE Scream gives holders voting power on governance proposals for the protocol while also earning April. Alternatively, Scream coin can be staked in return for X Scream, which produces long-term yield accumulation. As of May 25, 2022 10:50 British Summer Time, plus 1 UST, the Scream cryptocurrency was changing hands at $4.21 on a number of decentralized exchanges, DEXs, including SpookySwap, Solidly and SpiritSwap. Scream is also supported by the BKEX Centralized Exchange, CEX. Scream has a maximum circulation of 2 million tokens, 144,440 of which are in circulation. Market capitalization is $607,541. Half of all Scream is reserved for rewards, while 34.64% is kept in the treasury account. Of the rest, 3.8% was sold in public and private sales, with the remainder going to the team and a liquidity reserve.